Namhlanje bekulindeleke ukuba kulalele ubufakazi bukamakhelwane wakwaKhumalo lapho kwadutshulelwa khona uMeyiwa njengoba icala lombuso seliqala ukungena kulokho okwenzeka ngaphakathi endlini ngesikhathi kudutshulwa uMeyiwa. Umbuso uthi wehlulekile ukuthola omunye ufakazi ozongena endaweni yofakazi yofika namhlanje ntambama.
State could not secure a flight for him over the weekend as they were oversubscribed, and the flight that we could arrange is only this afternoon.
Abameli babasolwa basiphikisile isicelo sokuhlehisa leli cala.
The state should have known before today that if this witness is not available, they will have to get another witness. The witness cannot, Your Lordship, if the state informed them on time and then change that they must be changed to a particular day or schedule.
The state has indicated, my Lord, that is moving to the area of evidence for the witnesses who were inside in the house. And all those people, they are here in Johannesburg today as we speak. That's Makhumalo, that's Zandi Khumalo, that's Longwetwala. They are all available who were inside in the house. But now we're told that the one who is from Durban is not available and the case is adjourned. My Lord, that's my submission that that kind of approach is a delaying tactics, my Lord.
Ijaji libe selivumela ukuthi leli cala lihlehele kusasa ngenxa yofakazi ongakafiki eGauteng. Umndeni kaMeyiwa uthi weneme ngokuthi sekubizwa ofakazi ababekhona endlini ngosuku lesigameko.
Besinethemba lokuthi khona esizokuzwa namhlanje esibisazi ukuthi kunofakazi bezobizwa. Unfortunately ke naba bengasatholakali, but ke we are hoping ukuthi kusasa there will be someone ozositshela ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani, because we namanje sicala ukusimile ekuthenini siyafisa ukwazi, and we are happy ukuthi sekubizwa ofakazi ukuyibona ngempela ababekhona endlini abazositshela ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani on that day.